The future of veterinary education is here. Introducing our Vetroviz Tablet, where power, precision, and portability create an unmatched experience. To begin with, you can explore multi-species 3D anatomy with intuitive touch controls, rotate, zoom, and dissect with ease. Navigate effortlessly with the streamlined toolbar, giving you instant access like drawing, scalpel, pinning, measurement, view menu, etc. to every learning resource with a single touch. Compact in size, powerful in learning, Vetroviz Tablet brings every veterinary module together for a seamless experience. Dive into detailed 3D anatomy across multiple species with smooth touch-based exploration and layered dissection. Explore histology and histopathology through high-resolution slides, detailed annotations, and zoom controls to simplify microscopic learning. Access a rich library of veterinary cases designed for real-world clinical understanding. Enhance learning with integrated imaging modules, including radiology and advanced visualization tools. Analyze medical imaging with the DICOM module, enabling seamless viewing, interpretation, and exploration of diagnostic scans. Test your knowledge anytime with interactive quizzes designed to reinforce concepts and track learning progress. Join live veterinary classes anytime, directly on your tablet. Carry a complete veterinary learning lab wherever you go. Experience smarter, clinically driven education with Vetroviz.